In the realm of smartphone photography, the competition is fierce, especially between the Xiaomi 15 Ultra and the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Each device boasts unique specifications aimed at elevating mobile photography to new heights, creating a buzz among tech enthusiasts. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra proudly showcases its Leica-tuned quad camera system, including a 50-megapixel main sensor with a large 1-inch size and an f1.6 aperture, designed for remarkable low-light performance. In contrast, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra shines with an impressive 200-megapixel main camera, promising ultra-high-resolution images, although further details on sensor size and aperture remain elusive. Zoom capabilities are crucial for capturing distant subjects, and here, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra leads the way with its remarkable 200-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, featuring a 100mm focal length, providing a 4.3x optical zoom. This lens captures intricate details even from afar, making it perfect for wildlife or sports photography. While the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra also offers advancements in telephoto technology, specifics on its capabilities are not well defined, leaving some questions for potential buyers. When it comes to ultra-wide and additional lenses, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra does not fall short. It includes a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens with a wide 115-degree field of view and a 14mm focal length, enabling it to capture expansive landscapes beautifully. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra counters with its own improved ultra-wide camera, though details remain scarce. Ultimately, both flagship models exhibit immense potential, especially in low-light scenarios and intricate details, offering smartphone users unparalleled options to enhance their photography experience.